Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Chitra Gupta, Senior Lecturer, Department of ASH, IIMT College of Polytechnic, Greater Noida. Today, I'll brief you about adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective is a part of speech that can be used to describe or provide more information about a noun or pronoun that acts as the subject in a sentence. What is adjective? See, adjective is a part of it's one of the part of speech which qualifies the noun or a pronoun, which shows the quality of a noun or pronoun, which describes the characteristics, attributes, or elements of a noun or pronoun of a subject in a particular sentence, which gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Like for C, you can see the examples here. The food is delicious. What is a noun here? The food. Food is the noun. Now, what is adjective here? Delicious. It means how the food is. Food is delicious. It shows the quality of a noun, that how the food is delicious. Again, in the second sentence, my brother is naughty. Again, the adjective is naughty and the noun is brother. It shows the quality of a noun, means the brother. What is the attribute to what is the quality of a brother? That he is naughty. Now we move forward, proceed further about how many types of adjectives are there. So there are 6 types of adjectives. Basically, these are as follows: adjective of quality, numeral adjective, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. I'll brief you about all these adjectives one by one. First one is adjectives of quality. Adjective of quality describes the characteristics. Again, the same thing: qualities, attributes, characteristics of a person, thing, or an idea. See, for an example, Ram is wearing a red colored t-shirt. What is the noun here? Which is the noun here? Ram. And red is the adjective. It shows the quality of a t-shirt, that how the Ram, what kind of t-shirt the Ram is wearing. Ram is wearing a red color t-shirt. So it shows the quality of a noun, that what Ram is wearing, what type of t-shirt Ram is wearing, which color t-shirt Ram is wearing. So red is the quality of a t-shirt. Now in the second example, Udaipur is a beautiful city. Again, the noun here is Udaipur. It is a proper noun, and beautiful shows the quality, characteristics, attribute of a proper noun, that is Udaipur, that how Udaipur is. So Udaipur is a beautiful city. So adjectives of quality shows the quality of a noun, pronoun, characteristics, qualities of a particular area, person, thing, idea, etc. Proceeding forward, these are some of the adjectives of quality, like smart, sad, triangular, large, round, soft, tiny, happy, color, beautiful, etc. So we can take an example from one of these adjectives, like Seema is happy today. Seema is a proper noun, and it shows the quality of a Seema, that how she is. She is feeling happy today. So happy is the quality, adjectives of quality, which shows the quality of a Seema, that how she is feeling today. Beautiful. She is looking very beautiful, or she is looking very beautiful. So she is the pronoun, and it describes, beautiful describes the quality of a pronoun, that how she is looking. She is looking beautiful. Moving forward, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjective is also called the adjective of numbers or numeral adjective, as it is used to represent the numbers or order of any substance in a sentence. Numeral adjective describes the numbers, basically describes the numbers, whether it is in the definite sense or in the indefinite sense. It represents the numbers, order of the number or order of any substance, which is going to be explained in the particular sentence. See, for an example, some of the students did not participate in the exhibition. Now, what is sum here? It is number. It is numeral. It describes that some of the students, out of many, some of the students did not participate in the exhibition. He visited several shops to get sponsorship. Now, several, again showing the number, that out of the many shops, a particular person, he visited several, few shops to get the sponsorship for an event. So several here showing the number of shops. Two strangers came and robbed the whole house. Now, what two shows here? Again, two is the number adjective, numeral adjective, which shows that how many strangers are there who robbed the whole house. There are two strangers that came and robbed the whole house. So here 2 is showing the number. 2 is showing the number, and it is showing the numeral, or we can say the number in a sentence, that it is how many strangers? 2 strangers. Again, for types of numeral adjectives, there are definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. First of all, I will brief you about what are definite numeral adjectives. See, definite, what do you understand by the term definite? Definite means that something is definite and something is specific and something is particular. Something has the number. Again, what it is defining? Definite numeral adjectives are used to express definite, specific or particular numbers. It is well defined. There are no certain assumptions in this, like 2, 5, 10. Of course, these are the definite numbers, which defines the adjectives. Like, how many cookies are left in the jar? So, how many? 10. So, 10, there are 10 cookies left in the jar means 10 is the definite number, which shows the number of the cookies, that it is particular cookies, 10 particular cookies are left in the jar. Next example, she has 5 brothers and sisters. We are not saying that there are several brothers and sisters. We are defining here that she has how many brothers and sisters she is having? She is having 5 brothers and sisters. So again, definite numeral adjective, definite number adjective, 5, which shows the adjective of a particular noun pronoun, that she has 5 brothers and sisters. Next example, there are 2 chairs in the room. So it shows that how many chairs are in the room? 2. Means again it is a definite number adjective. How many chairs? 2 chairs in the room. Got the difference? Proceeding forward, moving forward, indefinite numeral adjectives. What are indefinite numeral adjectives? Now, in the definite numeral adjectives, it is specified a particular number, a specific number, or definite number. But here, the specific, particular, and definite number is not a specified exact number of objects or else, because it just provides the information in an indefinite sense. See the definition. An indefinite numeral adjective is such an adjective that does not provide the exact number of objects or else means the person, thing, and idea, because it does not provide the information in a particular sense, in a specific sense, in a definite number sense. See, for an example, all students are present in the classroom. Here, the definite number is not specified. Say for 40, say for 50, say for 30 students are present in the classroom. So we cannot be specific that how many students were present in the class or how many students are present in the classroom. Here it is specified only all. The number is not definite. Next example, few. Few is also used to express a small amount of anything, that may be a person or a substance. See, few of them asked me for help. Here, the person is specifically, but from how many persons, say for again 50, say for 2, but it is not specified, clearly specified here, that how many persons have asked from a particular person for help. Just it is written, few of them asked me for help. So this is a basic difference between the definite and the indefinite numeral adjectives, that in the definite numeral adjectives, a specific particular number is given, but in the indefinite numeral adjectives, a specific and definite number is not given. What the difference between these two adjectives, definite and indefinite? The third adjective is adjective of quantity. Of course, quality, quantity. Quality shows the characteristics, attributes, and quantity refers to how much amount of a thing is meant. Like you can see in the picture also, there is little soup in the bowl. And quantity also, or a number also, if I explain in the sense of a number also, little cannot be measured. Little cannot be, measured nahi. Little cannot be numbered. Little only can be measured. So it comes in the category of quantity. Little comes in the category of quantity. There is little soup in the bowl. Or we can also specify there is little water left in the bowl. Another example, he eats whole melon. It does not specify here that he eats 1 melon, 2 melon, 3 melon. It is just specified, meant here, described here, that he eats whole melon. Quantity. So it is refer how much or amount of a thing is meant. Another example, he has much money. What is a noun here? Money. And it shows in the sense of a quantity, that he has how much money? He has much money. So much is showing the quantity of a money which cannot be numbered or which cannot be counted, means he has so much money. It shows the quantity of a particular noun. Another example, there is a little milk in the glass. What is a noun here? Milk. And it shows the quantity of a noun here, that how much milk is left in the glass. So we can see here that there is a little milk in the glass. So it shows the quantity of a noun. How much means a little milk is left in the glass. Hope you have understood. Now proceeding forward. The fourth one is demonstrative adjective. Okay. What are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives are used in order to describe or specify an object, specify a particular object. Here, examples of demonstrative are only just for this, that, these, those. Hope you will understand in a more clear manner by looking at this example. See, for singular person or a thing, we always use this. For plural person or a thing, we always use these. And this is also used in the context of closeness, and these are used in the context of also closeness, but in the plural sense. This is for singular and these are for the plural. That again is used in the context of singular, but that is used in the faraway sense, and those are also used in the faraway sense, but it is used in the context of a plural manner. Like in the sense, this is my friend. It is showing the closeness of a particular person. Friend is a noun and it shows that this is my friend in a singular sense. These, again, these are my friends. Again, it is used in the context of closeness and it is used in the sense of plural, that these are friends are in the friends plural sense, and it shows that who are they? Who are these? These are my friends. That is used in the context of faraway manner and it is in the singular case. That is my friend. Friend is a noun and it shows that who is that? That is my friend. Again, those are my friends. Those is used in the context of, again, far away, but it is used in the case of a plural sense and it shows it is used like those, looking at a far away sense and looking at the finger, that these particular persons are my friends. Understood? Hope you have understood. See, for more examples, can I take this bag to put in all my clothes? So here, this describes the bag, that, and this describes this bag and it is used in the case of a closeness. This describes the bag. That house right there is the one we are planning to buy. Here, that describes the house, but that is used in the case of a faraway manner and in a singular sense, that which house they are planning to buy. So that describes that house they are planning to buy, that describes the house. Now for the fifth one, interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective, interrogation, what do you mean by interrogation or the interrogative? Interrogation means something, the question has to be asked for a particular thing or an idea to a person. So see the definition. An interrogative adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun by asking a question. The interrogative adjectives are what, which, and whose. So these are the interrogative adjectives from which the question has to be asked for the particular noun, which modifies a noun. Like, whose bag is this? It specifies a bag, and it is asking here. The question is being asked that whose bag is this? The question is asking that this particular bag is belongs to whom. So bag is a noun, and the question is asked in relation to the bag, that whose bag is this. In the another sentence, what kind of books would you suggest for students of grade 8? Again, the noun is books, and in the context of books, the question has been asked in the sense of what kind of books, what quality of books would you suggest? What type of books would you suggest for students of grade 8? Again, the question is being asked. So it's an interrogation about the books. Do you have any idea which teacher would be accompanying us for the trip? So the teacher is a noun here, and the question is being asked here about the teacher, that which teacher would be coming with us, which teacher is going to accompany us, which teacher is going to accompany us for the trip. So the question is being asked here about the teacher. Which teacher? So these are the interrogative adjectives, which is specified, which explains the noun by asking a question, which modifies a noun by asking a question. You can see more examples of interrogative adjectives, as what color is the postman's uniform? So color is a noun, and it describes, it asks, the color asks about for the postman's uniform, that what is the color of the postman's uniform. So it is asking the question about the postman's uniform. The color is asking about the postman's uniform, that what color. In the next example, which tree is the tallest? Now the tree is again the noun here, and which is the interrogative adjective. Here the interrogative adjective is asking the question about the tree, about the noun, that which tree is the tallest. So the adjective which are used to ask a question about a noun can be called as the interrogative adjectives. Now moving forward, last one is possessive adjective. Here, in a simpler sense, in a general sense, what do you mean by possession? Possession means the belongingness. Possession means that a particular thing or a person belongs to you. It specifies belongingness, that this is particular thing is mine. See the definition here. Any word that is used to describe, explains the ownership. Yes, of course, the ownership or possession of something by someone can be called as a possessive adjective. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Here you can see about the possessives. I have got a cat. It is my cat. So my is showing the ownership of a cat, that whose cat is this? It is my cat. My is showing the possession, my is showing the ownership, my is showing the belongingness. She has got a car. Who has got a car? She has got a car. So it's her car. So here, her is showing the belongingness, her is showing the possession, her is showing the ownership, that it is whose car? It is her car. See for the another example, he has got a dog. It's his dog. So his is showing again the ownership of he, ownership, possession of, belongingness of he, that whose dog is this? This dog belongs to he, or this dog belongs to Ram. The ownership of dog is with him only. They have got a book. It's their book. There is showing the ownership, again showing the ownership, that whose book is this? It is theirs book. You have got a pencil. It's your pencil. Your is showing the ownership, possession, belongingness, that whose pencil is this? It is your pencil. You have got a laptop. It's your laptop. Again, your is showing again your is again showing the ownership, possession, and belongingness, that whose laptop is this? This laptop is belong to whom? It's your laptop. So your is showing the possession, or your is showing the ownership. You can see the another examples also. There are so many examples related to possession or interrogative adjectives or quality adjectives of quality, quantitative adjectives, and so many. Ram is my brother. So my is showing the possession, the belongingness, the ownership of Ram, that whose brother is this? It is Ram's brother. Mickey told me that he met your son in Chennai. Now here your is again showing the possession or the ownership of his son, that he met your son means his son in Chennai. More examples. Sunny's father is working as a heavy vehicle mechanic in Saudi Arabia. Sanju borrowed my red shirt as it was a dress code for an event. So here the Sanju is a noun, and my red shirt, my means ownership. Now whose t-shirt is this? It is Sanju's t-shirt. So it is the ownership of, who is the owner of this red t-shirt? Sanju is the owner of this t-shirt. So this my is showing the possession, my is showing the ownership of this particular red t-shirt. Shadow is their pet dog. Now Shadow is the noun again, and there is showing the possession of a dog, that there is showing the possession of dog, that this particular dog is belongs to whom? This particular dog is Shadow. Our English teacher asked us to complete the grammar exercises on possessive adjectives before Friday. So which is the noun here? It is English teacher. So possession shows, ownership shows that whose teacher? Our English teacher. R is the possession, R is the ownership, R is the belongingness. That whose teacher? Our English teacher asked us to complete the grammar exercises. So possession means belongingness, ownership of a particular thing, of a particular person, which shows that it belongs to, it is only and only mine. Hope you have understood and like this lecture, and you have understood about various, what are adjectives basically, what are basic and adjectives, and what it modifies, and adjectives of quality, what are adjectives of quality, what are numeral adjectives and its kinds also, adjectives of quantity, and what is the basic difference between the adjective of number and adjective of quantity, the thing which can be measured and which cannot be measured. The thing which can be measured is it is quantity, and which cannot be measured, it comes in the category of number. Demonstrative adjective, singular, plural, this, that, and again singular, plural, these and those. Interrogative adjectives, which are used for asking a question for a particular noun. And possessive, and at the last, possessive adjectives, which shows the belongingness and ownership or possession of a particular thing, of a particular person. Thank you and have a nice day.